Hi everyone, today I want to show you who can actually log, pre-log or unprelog the financial reports in Clodify system. In the previous video we saw that when I logged in as an admin, admin can see the financial reports. This user can do anything with this report, so he can pre-log, unprelog and log the reports. So admin has these actions, and this user can do these actions. But what can do any other of users? For example, the client, this user cannot see the financial reports. Like here, we do not have any financial reports. Who else? Dev also, this user cannot see the financial reports, cannot see any of the financials pages. Then we have fin user. Fin user can actually see the financials reports, but this user has actions only to edit and to see the subcontractors. This is all. So here we can see this report that we logged in the previous video, and this user Finn can only view this information. So the actions only this. Also we have the PM user. The PM user also does not have access to the financials. And we have sales. Sales has access to the financials reports page. You can also see the list of the reports. But also as fin user, he has actions not the same as admin user. So we cannot see any of the log, pre-log or unprelog actions. So only admin can do these actions. Yeah, sales, we can see that sales can add income, for example, like income, subcontractors. You can see also the bonuses. But the only one user who can log, pre-log or unprelog the financial reports, this is admin user. We can see here financial reports. We can see these actions.